In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Trump or Elon meme coins. So in this video, I'm using Phantom Wallet, but you can use basically every crypto app that has Trump or Elon meme coins in the app and available. So what you're going to do to buy one of these coins is you're clicking on the search bar, the search icon, and in here you have a search bar. You can search for Elon or Trump coins, but at the moment, as you can see, a lot of those coins are trending. And in here we have the official Elon coin, and in here we have the official Trump coin. And what you want to do when you want to buy, for example, the official Elon coin, is you're going to click on this coin. You're going to select it. Then you see that one of the options is swap. And to buy this coin, we click on swap. And in here you can see that we can pay with Solana or with 47th coin. And if you have other currencies or other crypto, then you can see one of those in this list and you can use one of them to pay for example, with the Elon coin. One rule is that it needs to be supported. And as you can see, Solana is. So let's say you want to purchase this coin with Solana. Then we can enter an amount that we are willing to pay. Let's say it's this. Now we can just click on swap. As you can see, we are paying some fee. And when I click on swap now at the moment, everything will be processed and I will buy this Elon coin. And now I'm going to show you how this works for the Trump coin as well. It is of course the same, but I'm just going to show you. Let's say we want to buy the 47th coin. Again, we click on swap. As you can see, we also have Solana available for this transaction and we can enter an amount again. And as you can see, I will receive 647 coin for this amount. I will pay a fee again. And when I click on swap now, everything is being processed. So that's how you buy Trump or Elon meme coins step by step. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.